The Ordinary has launched a brand new soothing and barrier support serum, and it's got the beauty world buzzing. This is the first barrier support product The Ordinary has ever released, and it contains multiple actives, active technologies, and it's pink. So I had to try it out. I used this product for 2 weeks. Is it just a pretty pink serum that's all hype, or it can actually repair your skin barrier? Join my quest to review if this serum is worthy. Hi, this is Sarah Diba. I love science, skincare, and science of skincare. And today I'm going to talk about what skin barrier is, why skin barrier is so important, and my experience with the new Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum. Now, before I talk about whether this Ordinary serum is effective in repairing your skin barrier or not, let me briefly explain what skin barrier is in the first place. What is skin barrier? Our skin is a very large organ of our body, and it creates a barrier between our internal organs and outside aggressors, pollutions, and foreign particles. But our skin works with a very complex system. Our skin has an acid mantle that creates a film on top of our skin, and this acid mantle regulates the pH of our skin. Skin also contains bacteria and fungi within itself, which fight against external harmful bacteria, virus, or fungus. Then on the very top of our skin, we have a layer consisting of dead skin cells. This is a pretty thick layer and it's called stratum corneum. This stratum corneum contains lipids which act as natural moisturizer for the skin and also act as antioxidants to fight free radical damages. This whole complex system of the skin is called skin barrier, and it shields and protects us. How does skin barrier get damaged? Skin barrier gets damaged for various reasons. Some reasons are internal, like diseases, medications, or inflammation inside the body. Some reasons are external, like overexfoliation, use of harsh products like scrubs or soaps, use of physical tools or rough clothes, using multiple irritating active ingredients at the same time, steam, extreme humidity, or colder environment. Some signs of compromised skin barriers are red, flushed, irritated skin, itchiness, burning sensation after application of products, sudden acne breakouts, rough texture, and bumps. Does barrier repair products actually work? Our skin is a living organ. It's pretty good at healing and repairing itself. Most of the time, our skin barrier can repair itself if you just leave it alone or cut back on using products. But that doesn't mean that barrier repairing products are useless, because sometimes our skin needs some extra help. Researchers have shown products containing ingredients like Centella asiatica or ceramides, etc. are pretty good at repairing our skin barrier faster. Is the Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum good for skin barrier? I recently started using tretinoin, and my skin has been showing some redness and irritation due to the retinization phase. So, this was the perfect opportunity to test out this serum. This Ordinary Barrier Support Serum contains ceramides and multiple vitamins, like niacinamide, aka vitamin B3 and vitamin B12. These are very good for skin barrier. The serum also contains soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica extract and antioxidants like EGCG and gallic acid. The product immediately caught attention of the people with its bright, lovely pink color. But fear not, because this color is not artificial. The product is also fragrance-free. The texture is very lightweight, but it doesn't get absorbed fully into the skin. You can feel a light moisturized film on the skin after application. This part of the serum I really enjoyed. I have a very dry skin, so I always welcome any barrier repairing products which also gives me moisturizing effect. But that doesn't mean it feels sticky. So even if you have oily skin, I think you'll love the finishing. It does give a cooling sensation due to the presence of phenoxyethanol, I believe. I have read some reviews that some people can't tolerate phenoxyethanol, but I never had any issues with this serum. I've used it for 2 weeks straight, and as you can see from these videos, my skin definitely improved a lot in terms of redness and irritation. I was feeling some dry patches here and there from tretinoin that also smoothened out. Needless to say, I've absolutely loved this serum. It improved my overall skin hydration, and I definitely felt it helped with my skin barrier too. The Ordinary also showed some clinical trials where it showed improvements in barrier functions in just 2 hours. I always feel a bit skeptical about claims like these where products supposedly give super fast results, especially when the subject matter is small, like 23 and 34 people in this case, or when the details about the methodology or limitations of the studies are not disclosed. I love this product, not because of this clinical trial claim, but because of my own experience of using it. You can use this product every day, but The Ordinary directs not to use it in the same routine as vitamin C, So be mindful of that. So this was my review of the Ordinary New Soothing and Barrier Support Serum. If you have any more questions about this product, let me know in the comment section below. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself and do not forget to love the skin you're in. This is Dibas signing off today from Dibas Quest.